Hello, hi.
You remember my name, first of
Sure.
all?
Hello, hi.
How are you, Surya?
I'm great. I'm fantastic.
Super cool, Surya.
Because
Ala
of all you
yella.
guys, because of all the love you're showering on me. So thanks to you all.
I want to know the secret of Surya's fitness.
Fitness, come on. I'm really not that hardworking person. If you, in my family, I need to talk about people in my family. So the way Karthik works out, the way Joe works out, I do half of that. It's just the body type. I can't like compliment and I'm say like I'm this hardworking guy. I work out every day, almost 7 days a week. No, I I eat right, a little bit eat right, and I'm also been like blessed with the right skin type. No, the muscle growth. I would say like there are like three types of body type. So I'm blessed with a body type where I can burn my calories even without working out.
Nijama?
Yeah.
Okay. So recently Surya birthday అయింది. Belated wishes.
Hey guys, I really have to thank you for this. I've not come on media, I've not come on any social media and thanked you guys. But thank you so much for making my birthday and me, my family all feel so special. You all going on Twitter, on Facebook, and taking everything possible, making videos, making your DPs, changing your display
Joe did
pictures.
birthday special on radio.
Joe, also thank you, and at least symbolically, on behalf of all my well-wishers and all my family, brothers, everybody, I need to really personally thank you for doing such an amazing thing. And I've also heard a lot of guys, lot of people, lot of them everywhere, all around have gone and done blood donations and organ donations. Um, you have done a great job. You have done a fantastic thing, and thank you for keeping me also in mind and choosing my birth date to do such a fantastic work. So, from bottom of my heart, I sincerely thank you all so much. I'm really blessed, and you should get all the blessings possible from all the people you have been supporting, and you all have a fantastic life ahead.
ఏమైంది బర్త్డే స్పెషల్ ఏం జరిగింది అసలు? Did you do?
It was very simple. It was at home. It was very much at home, and lot of flowers, lot of cakes, lot of nice wishes. I kept coming, on my mobile. So I kept reading, and I tried my best to reply, say a thank you to each and every message I kept getting on my mobile. Night was a quiet dinner with family. The previous night was a little gala night with friends from the film industry. Thanks to Linguswamy sir, my director who's done Sikandar. He had organized a get together. So we had a lot of friends from the film industry coming in, and we brought in the birthday. But the actual birthday was a little quiet affair with family.
What was Joe's surprise?
Joe's surprise. See, I have this problem. In fact, I'm not wearing her thing today.
Okay.
I had lost a very precious watch. I think it was little. The price tag and all was a little big.
Oh.
And in Hong Kong, when I was shooting for 7 cents, in a hurry, I left it in the hotel. So I made a promise that I'm not going to wear watches. I'm not this person. I'm not worth wearing watches. So this birthday, Joe gifted me with 3 watches. So that was her surprise gift.
You're not wearing.
I didn't want to lose it. So when I'm in Chennai, when I'm at home, maybe I'll wear and I'll keep it
Achha,
there.
with kuch instructions and warnings, Joe gave you those 3 watches with any instructions or something like that?
I think you value family members, so you should also value their presence, their gifts. So you have to be responsible. You can't just say that I don't want to wear when I'm going outside, but you're supposed to wear. But I honestly forgot it today.
And house kids.
It's a good. Diya's good. Dev's good. Thank you.
Wonderful. Now coming to Anjan. You have done so many action films before.
No,
How
Anjan is Sikandar.
It is Sikandar and తెలుసు. Anjan Sikandar. Okay. ఇంతకు ముందు కూడా చేశారు యాక్షన్ ఫిల్మ్స్. How different is this?
See, Anjan is Sikandar is totally placed in Bombay, which I've not shot before. A completely Bombay-based film. we've just chosen that backdrop, but the happenings in the film is completely different again. At least for my graph, the movies which I have done, I have not done something like this. Linguswamy sir is known for his screenplay, the way he entertains the audience in the theatre. He takes a simple line. He takes a very simple line, but the twists and turns in the film makes you really excited. No? You want to clap, or you want to say, "Wow, I'm waiting for the next thing to happen. Now, what is going to happen?" So that kind of a mood will automatically creep into you. You would want to know what is happening after the second half. I mean, after the interval point, what is happening in the second half. So that kind of an engaging thing he keeps in the screenplay, in the narrative style. And he's known for his songs. He's amazing in getting nice songs. And the heroine's track will be equally good. And he's known for his dialogues. He's known for, like if you say Pandan Kohli, then the bus scene which happens, you know whose son he is, and the whole thing reverses. Or if you take Run, you see the hero running and suddenly you see him pulling a shutter and he turns around to fight. Now come, you're not escaping from me. So that kind of moments he creates. It's just not that particular scene and then the rest of the story is ordinary simple. In this film, I think the complete narrative will take you by a little surprise. I don't want to give a lot of hype or build up the film. As I say, it's a very breezy, stylish, romantic, nice entertainer which is ready for you.
ఈ స్క్రిప్ట్ నచ్చిందా లింగుస్వామి చెప్పిన తర్వాత, లేకపోతే ఆయన ఇంతకు ముందు మూవీస్ నచ్చి యాక్సెప్ట్ చేశారు? ఈ స్క్రిప్ట్ చాలా నచ్చింది.
See, every time there's a big responsibility. A lot of fans, a lot of people are going to throng the theatres. When there is a release, they are going to pay a lot of money and they are going to come with a lot of expectation. My previous success, or the director's previous success, the producer's previous success, it's not going to come in your mind. It will be there somewhere in the back of your mind, but that's not going to create that expectation. It's just what you're creating now, what you're creating today matters much, and what is the next step you're going towards to, where are you growing, and what is exciting for you to work for another 6 months or 100 days. What are you going to give to the next generation? It's all there. Like now the audience are the next group, like the 10th standard studying now, the 12th, or the school kids or the college kids. They all keep growing. The youngsters keep moving ahead, so we should be in pace with them. We should be doing films which also connect them. I think I am 2 generations older now. The way they approach life, the way they approach things are all different, changing. So I think this film has kept all that in mind. It's not a very, very intense film, but it's a film which you will completely enjoy from beginning to end. When you watch it the first time, there is going to be one twist. Oh wow, is it like that? And even after you watch it like the second time or the third time, there are a lot of other scenes which you notice and think, oh, that's why this is like that. That kind of stuff keeps happening. So that's why I say the audience, when they watch it on the first day, also will be entertained. And after knowing the story, after knowing the small suspense, also will enjoy it. Even when they watch it at home, maybe it comes in on satellite televisions after a year or something. Even then, I hope it will be engaging.
సూర్యని చూస్తే చాలా కామ్గా అనిపిస్తారు, కానీ మాట్లాడడం ఒకసారి స్టార్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత చాలా టాకిటివ్ అనిపిస్తారు. అసలు యాక్చువల్ సూర్య ఏంటి?
Doctor, I'm not coming to the point, is it? I'm going all around, is it?
No. అంటే నేను నోటీస్ చేశాను జనరల్లీ అన్ని ఇంటర్వ్యూస్.
Maybe this is my only chance to talk. I'm coming here.
సూర్య ఎలా ఉంటారు? టాకిటివ్ లేకపోతే కామ్? ఎలా ఇష్టం?
Most of the time I think little control, little reserved type.
ఇంట్లో ఎవరు టాకిటివ్? You or Jyotika?
Why you want to come up with a question? Do you have any doubt?
Okay, wonderful. So మన సికందర్ ఎప్పుడు రిలీజ్ అనుకుంటారు?
Here we have announced a simultaneous release. It's a bilingual release. 15th of August we are planning. Hopefully, if everything goes well, it should be a 15th August release.
జ్యోతిక కుకింగ్ లో ఏది ఫేవరెట్ సూర్యకి?
When she cooks, I will tell you that.
Oh.
Sorry, Joe, I didn't tell this.
Not even once?
We have tried dosas and samosas. It
Wow.
was eatable.
ఓకే, ఇప్పటికీ ఎందుకు ఏ ఏ పాయింట్ జ్యోతికలో చాలా నచ్చుతుంది? ఇప్పటికీ కూడా జ్యోతికతో మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ లవ్లో పడుకునే ఉండే ఆ పాయింట్ ఏంటి?
She's a wonderful, fantastic mother, and of course, a wonderful, great wife, and also a fantastic daughter-in-law. So it's just not one thing to keep the whole family together, to raise kids and to feel proud of them. When you go to school as a father, you feel really, really proud to hear such nice things what teachers are able to say. They say kids mirror parents. They completely learn things or imitate parents. So I'm not at all like going to take credit for this, because most of the time I'm not at home. I'm really away shooting in Bombay or somewhere south of Tamil Nadu, and I'm not available for my kids. I'm not being there honestly as a good dad. So Joe plays the father and the mother, and my kids imitate Joe. And when we go out for a party or anywhere, everywhere, they're really been appreciated. So that all belongs to Joe. So I've seen her as an actor, I've seen her as my friend, my girlfriend, my lover, my wife, but as a mother, as a responsible daughter, a responsible daughter-in-law, and for her friends, she's got a very, very loyal friends group, and she also never lets that go away. So she's an amazing person, and I will be incomplete without her.
వావ్. అండ్ ఎప్పుడు జ్యోతికాని చూడాలి మళ్ళీ ఆన్ స్క్రీన్? ఎప్పుడు కమ్ బ్యాక్? ప్లాన్స్ ఏం లేదు?
I've said this. It's the time with kids, which which she thinks is more precious, and she feels guilty even if she leaves them for 2 hours and goes out and does her small things and comes back. So she keeps wondering, like, will I be able to do a shift, a 6 hours shoot or a 8 hours shoot? Will it ever be possible? That's what keeps coming in her mind. So when she thinks kids are independent and they can handle things by themselves, or if there's an alternative or something which we can do to replace this, I'm sure she's going to be on
ఫ్రెండ్షిప్
screen.
దగ్గరలోనే ఉంది. సూర్య క్లోజ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరి ఇండస్ట్రీ? తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ?
I think immediately I can say Rana, because Buddy keeps coming to Chennai and we keep meeting each other. Otherwise, I think a lot of people, I really can't choose names, from Brahmaji to everybody. I think we are in touch, and really nice of them to call me whenever there's a get together, whenever there's an occasion, be it Ram Charan, be it Allu Arjun. Everybody we keep meeting in a very, very warm, nice way. So I have keep getting a lot of love from everybody, a lot of technicians also, a lot of directors also. So it's just not one or two people I can say I'm best friends with them, but this buddy whom I can keep calling and doing anything anytime is I think Rana.
రానా. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. సో ఫైనలీ అబౌట్ సికందర్.
Sikandar is a wonderful film to watch. It's going to give you a nice experience in the theater. It's going to be a breezy, stylish, romantic action entertainer.